The Maiden of the RAF fast launch Aphrodite, which I named her myself because I figure if you're a down airman, oh, this gun's going. If you're a down airman, that'll be the prettiest thing you've ever seen coming after you.
we need to get it down airman to float the water.
Yeah, we'll crash everything. So it's 1200. It's an old Supertigre 1200 kV outrunner and 2-cell lipo, cheap Chinese speed control, lights work, gun works. Whoa! Almost got run over by a. Is that a destroyer or a cruiser? That's a frigate, isn't it? Anyway, so it's based on a Wedico. Oh God, what's the name of that boat? It was ugly, so I changed it.
It was just an ugly boat. What do you call that?
It looked like a shoe. It did. It was nasty. So anyway, superstructure is all built out of balsa, a little bit of ply. It's got a captured German flak gun on the back. So they got some self-defense in case of marauding ME-110s or any other thing comes after them while they're trying to rescue somebody, and that's just about it. So
well, we had a group of ducks flying in. We can call it a formation of 105.
BF-110 destroyers.
That's right.
Hard maneuvers. Whoa!
Where's those ducks at? They're coming in.
I think I could use a little bit more speed, not much. Maybe another couple hundred kV motor, maybe.
What are you running?
Huh?
What size motor again you running?
It's 1200 kV motor.
Like a 14 or 1600 maybe.
Yeah. But other than that, where I could put 3 cells in it, just scare the hell out of myself. I can do that too. Oh, what I think about doing that thing. I think I'll keep it like this is for right now until I get, it's not fast, but I mean, it maneuvers good.
It is.
It's a nice scale speed.
Yeah. I might need to move the battery further aft back. I've got, to get her sitting back a little bit more. Other than that.
That kind of transfer more of the.
Yeah,
if you put more speed on it, then you're gonna have to put a little bit more weight forward.
Throttle back. Just do a little cruise. Turn the lights on as I come in. Okay, Lieutenant, we can turn the guns off now. We're in port. Don't want to go. Had the same problem we had last time, shooting up the something.
Yeah. Shoot up the warehouse.
Yeah.
Near the docks.
And reverse actually works decent on this thing too. It's actually very controllable in reverse.
I think it's good just the way it is, man.
I mean, look at that.
Very maneuverable.
Well, I said it was controllable in reverse.
You got one direction right now, or is it? Or
Well, sometimes it started off all right.
yeah,
There we go. I think once you get that thing over the one way.
that prop kind of overtakes the.
There you go. That'll play with the throttle a little bit. So, and the lights are powered by these little cheap Amazon switches that work pretty good. And it's using the receiver power. But each bulb's only pulling 0.47 milliamp. So, and your BEC is good for 2 amps. So I think I'm all right. There you go. I'll turn it off. Thank you very much.